Hey everyone, it is Healmatize coming back at you all again with another herbal healing home remedy video. And today we're going to be talking about halitosis, also known as bad breath. Whether you have, food particles stuck in the back of your teeth, you haven't been flossing, you haven't been keeping up with dental hygiene, or it could be caused because of, a viral or bacteria issue maybe in your mouth or without something in your body, or maybe it can be candida. So we're just going to talk about two natural remedies that can really help bad breath or halitosis. And make sure you all subscribe to Healmatize.com and subscribe to Healmatize on my YouTube channel. And make sure to follow me on Healmatize on Twitter and Instagram for all your healing, emotional support, mental support, and herbal support. Alright, so let's get tuned into the video. And I'm not a doctor, by the way, so make sure you talk to your doctor. So for the first remedy, we're going to be talking about hydrogen peroxide and baking soda. So we have, just your 50-cent baking soda you get at the grocery store, baking soda, and hydrogen peroxide, which you get, also at your grocery store, Rite Aid, CVS. Get, our glass, or you can just pour it in the back of your mouth if that's the kind of person you are. You get hydrogen peroxide, just pour a good amount in, almost like if you had Listerine mouthwash or something. So you take hydrogen peroxide and you put it in like this, and then you're also going to take baking soda. Get a spoonful of this. So I have a small teeny spoon. Like so, and then we're going to pour it in. It does this little 3 bubbles, and then you're going to shake it up a little bit. But make sure it don't dissolve. Shake it up for like 2 seconds, and then we're going to go ahead and put this in our mouth and gargle. And then that really kills a lot of bacteria, bad breath, germs, and so on. It's really good too if you have like white spots in the back of your mouth, like tonsillitis, or you want to get rid of those stinky tonsil stones. That helps a lot. Okay, and another remedy we can do is apple cider vinegar and warm water. So let's get that too. Okay, y'all, so this is the apple cider vinegar I have, and always, whenever I use apple cider vinegar, I always get apple cider vinegar with the mother. You can get any brand you want. Obviously, y'all know Bragg. That's the most popular apple cider vinegar brand, but they have like store brands you can get of apple cider vinegar too, but just make sure it has the one with the mother. If you're getting apple cider vinegar that doesn't have the mother in it, it's not going to do you any good. Okay, so if you also have bad breath, you can get this apple cider vinegar. You get a little bit of water like this. That's a bit much. Maybe like this. And then you shake up the apple cider vinegar. And then I use a small spoon. And we just add a little bit of the apple cider vinegar, and we're going to pour it in. And then you do the same thing and you gargle. But don't gargle for too long, because apple cider vinegar can mess up your teeth if you have it on your teeth too long. So that's 2 remedies right there. Is apple cider vinegar, a gargle. I would try to do it for at least 1 minute, and then the hydrogen peroxide and baking soda gargle for another minute. And then another remedy, the third remedy that I want to talk about too, is Acidophilus. Acidophilus is a pill that you can get, at your local grocery store. Or typically, if it's not at your local grocery store, you can get it online for under like $5, and you take the pill. It's like a capsule supplement that you can take, once a day, twice a day, and it helps a lot of people. It's a probiotic. I should say probiotic rather than pill, but it's very beneficial. So definitely, we'll talk more about Acidophilus on Healmatize.com, my website. But definitely, if you all if this video has helped you, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content coming soon. Thank you all so much, and please show love to Healmatize.com. Thank you all.